sing for the holiday, the happy holiday.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas day I don't know. It's like the first few days and I don't even know what day it is already. So another day, another Vlogmas. Let me put on my glasses because if you haven't noticed, I need glasses. And the reason why I take them off sometimes is because there's like a blue light reflection. And so it just gets annoying, like looking like a robot or something. But it's been hard vlogging because one, I suck at it. Two, I'm a perfectionist. And what was three? Three, it's a lot of work. Four, I feel like my life is boring. I just live my life. You know, there's nothing exciting happening. I'm not falling off a building. I don't swim with sharks. So I'm like, who's gonna wanna watch this? The first vlog I ever did on this channel, it is so cringe, but funny. I looked back and I'm like, wow, I can't believe I shaped my dog to his skin. Poor thing. And like the things I do, you know, like you don't realize what you do until you watch yourself because you're so used to yourself doing them. Like these videos are like little time capsules where you can look back and relive those moments. Because if you're honest with yourself, do you remember what you did yesterday? Well, at least I don't. Like the details, you know? So today I'm working. I've found it so cozy to work downstairs on like a nice fuzzy blanket. Look who wants to come. I've taken over this spot, but lately, like I just want it to be really cold. Okay, boy. You want to say hi? Good morning. I think because last year around November, like this time, it's actually December already. Time flies. It was so cold. Like I was wearing my puffer jacket, but right now, like it's 80 degrees. It's warm. It feels like a nice, like how summer should be, you know? I have like seasonal depression. So like when it is gloomy and cold, I get sad. I don't want to do anything. But lately I've just been wanting some cold. Because I think it does get tiring when you're like in the heat too much. Despite me being like a heat girl, I'll show you what I'm working on right now. Just so you get a little bit behind the scenes of what I do. I feel like it's boring if you don't enjoy like editing videos or like the art to it. But I'm gonna show you anyways because why not? Okay, so this is a video that I produced. It's called A Day in the Life of a Latina Entrepreneur, and I decided to do it on Daisy, who is the owner of El Cholo's Kid. So this is what my timeline looks like. If you're not an editor or edit, like you won't understand, and this looks like gibberish. Where it says V, it's video. Where it says A, it's audio. Basically everything down here is audio, and up here is video, and you have to be super organized as an editor. So if you have like A1, you can choose what each line is for. And I chose the first one to be her dialogue. And then the second one is music. And then the third one is sound effects. So you can see like the music takes up most of the video. And then sound effects are very small little clips because it's a very subtle thing. Like for example, like a rooster crowing. Yeah. Those are sound effects, and I have two lines for sound effects because I have these two overlapping each other. So that's it for this. And then the video part, that's her, like the interview part. And then the second line is a graphic or B-roll. So it's any video that's not her interview. And then the other line 2, are graphics. These text bubbles or this card, that's more of a graphic. So each thing has a line. It's to help us stay organized. But the reason why I'm telling you this is because right now what I'm working on is exporting each line individually so that it's exported as just audio, dialogue, music. It's been like an hour or two and I am done. And now I'm gonna eat my favorite part. And then I'm gonna watch some YouTube. I have like a couple videos I want to watch. That's what I do on my lunchtime basically. And then if it's 3, I walk Fluffy. We have to be careful with the W word because he starts getting super excited. Ow, my hair. You're on my hair. Hold up, Fluffy. Let me levitate you. Guys, I'm already dreading filming this video I have to film. I feel like I get in my own head and I start saying like, if it's not gonna be good, why do it? It has to be perfect. And nothing in life is perfect. So I just have to start. I have to do it. I eventually end up having fun with it. I just have to film what I can. So I'm just gonna leave this here so you can watch me like the process of filming. I'm gonna make a Tlayuda, which is this huge pizza shaped thing that we make in Oaxaca. And so I'm really excited to be able to share that part of my culture. Enjoy the view. Oh! Isn't this huge? It's like a big tortilla. It's bigger than my head. I should do that in the video. So the beans that I was making won the fight, if you can tell. Exhausted. I finished the Tlayuda. I'm gonna show it to you right now. But I had to change because I got attacked by the oil from all the meats that I was cooking. But let me reveal to you the beautiful Tlayuda. Bum, ba, bum. That's chorizo. That's cecina tasajo. I'm so hungry. I'm just waiting for Fluffy to finish eating because I have to say like my commentary in the video, and all you're gonna hear is like. Shooting days are always so long because not only are you like the person filming, so you have to constantly check that you are recording, that you are in frame, so meaning like you're not out of the camera's view, that you're not blurry, so you have to go back and forth. You're also the chef, the one who knows the recipe. You're washing dishes, you're cleaning them, you're cooking, and if you need the dishes that you already used, you have to wash them again. You have to clean up your mess. It is very tiring. I enjoy it, even though it's super like long days. I'm gonna be up very late today, I think. I'm trying to go to bed by 12, but we'll see. I think for Vlogmas, editing is a little bit easier because there's less like graphics to add. You can hear him eating. It's just like cut, upload. Hopefully it's that easy, but yeah. Oh, and then I still have to do one more thing for work. What else? Even Fluffy wants some. I mean, how could you resist? Tlayuda is a very messy dish, so don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Yes? It's so... Yes? I can't give you some. It's part of the culture. You just have to grab it like a tortilla and it'll spill over, but... What? What, babies? I can't give you some. He's begging. He's really trying to get some meat. This is what's left, right? It looks pretty big. It's like, you know, big. But I ate that. I left that much from something this big. I ate more than half, guys. More than half. I'm very proud of myself. This is Alvin's. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I am expiring. I am tired. So, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Why do I sound so sad? Bye!